is the PX14 again. Okay, the reason why this unit, actually I got the power off now, but anyways, these two electrodes in here, during shipment, this lower element got jostled down in shipping due to shock, and this element here, actually the rod was actually touching the side of the aluminum. So when I plugged this in, I had a direct short. Kind of strange. So I went off, turned off the power, took off the side, and I undid the bolts under here just a little bit on the element, and then went through and kind of popped this around and got the element to pop back through. And I suppose that's sort of a shipping problem, especially if it's shipped, you know, as a used item. Anyways, this all works right now, but it's just kind of an odd failure where the element moves so much. You notice this is sticking up a whole bunch. This one here in the front is too. Got the power off now, but this rod physically right here was all the way down touching the aluminum piece because it moved down about a ½ inch. So anyways, this is the PX14 that I got running again. When it got moved, somehow it got bumped real hard here in the corner, and that was kind of a telltale thing, is like, yeah, it must have gotten bumped so hard it dropped. I had to bend this corner up just to slide off the back, and you can compare the bottom element to the top element. They look the same height now, but before I fixed it, this thing had dropped down about a ½ inch. On this unit, the audio buzzer is back in here hidden. It's kind of a round thing that squawks. The thermostat's back in here just like on the PX16, and then the timer unit's back here. It has a little timer motor. So that's the PX14 Baker's Pride oven that I've been playing around with here. This model here has got the dials actually on the face of the panel, not on the knob like my other oven. But that's the Baker's Pride PX14 that I got going again. The odd failure mode where the element got bumped during some horrible bump, moved it down a ½ inch, you had a direct short. Knocked out the circuit breaker real quick, and over here I got the fire extinguisher, and then the lights overhead here, they went off immediately, so that was a telltale thing. That's why sometimes I have a light here connected up to what I'm working on, so I know it's out. So the socket goes out together. That's kind of a safety feature, is have another little dumb light connected up to where you're working so you positively know it's off.